Welcome back to my channel, My Creations Farm. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I package this gift basket for Mother's Day. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So I started off this packaging with customized greeting cards and gift box to go with it. You can find the link in the description box for these tutorials. I will place the link in the description box with all the materials and try to find as much link as possible to place in the description box. Next up, I have this gift bag that I placed the card in and spray body mist and also a souvenir bottle opener. So all of this will go into this pack. So this is a gift bag that I purchased at Walmart. I don't know if I can find it on Amazon to place a link in the description box for you guys. So I will see if I can find the link and I will place it in the description box. It's pretty easy to put together, and right here I'm just opening it. I think it was 2 gift bag came inside there, and I will place the basket inside of it, so y'all will see the process how I do it later. So here I have a chocolate, banana chips, a manicure and pedicure set, Hershey's, a cup, let's say #1 mom, lotion, a little teddy bear. I also had a big teddy bear that I placed in a different bag, and the ramen. I just put in random stuff together, y'all. Just find anything you like, you know, or the person like, your mom, any mother figure in your life like, and just put it together in one big basket. Y'all know this basket is not really big, but it can hold a lot of stuff, as y'all can see in there. The little things matter, okay? So this is a handmade basket that I made. You can also find this on my channel. So it's time to put this gift together, so enjoy. So this is the fun part of this packaging and how to make the ribbon. Here am I putting the gift tag and the ribbon onto the basket. So this is the finished product of our package my basket for Mother's Day. I hope you enjoy this tutorial with me. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more awesome videos. I shall see you in the next piece. I'm out.